Today, we're gonna be testing all the kitchen gadgets from the show Shark Tank, where entrepreneurs pitch their products to top investors like Mark Cuban and Kevin O'Leary. Chainsaw meat cutter, chicken nugget sauce holder, we're gonna be testing all of them. Starting off with the first product, the Guzzle Buddy. This is for all the wine lovers out there. Place into your wine bottle. You don't need a glass of wine anymore. You can have a bottle of wine and look elegant while drinking. This is hilarious. I don't like wine and I would never use this. Personally, I would not be investing in this product. Let's move on to the next one. This next Shark Tank product is called Snactiv and it's actually a really cool product. Open up this simple tiny box. Kind of looks like a chopstick tong. Slide your finger is the Snactiv fully activated. Let's say you're on the computer, you're typing. Hey Jerry, you forgot to send me the reports of last week. I wanna have a snack. And pick up a Cheeto, fingers super clean. Sometimes I don't eat one cashew at a time. I kinda wanna just like shove a bunch in my mouth. You can't do that with Snactiv. I would be definitely investing in this product. This is one of my favorite ones so far. Our next Shark Tank product is Click and Carry. You know when you go shopping, your mom goes, hey Charlie, pick up the shopping bags. That's where the Click and Carry comes in. All you do is you turn, load up your bags on each side of the Click and Carry product, twist and click. I'm carrying 6 bags and I still have my other hand. Or give me another 100 bags, mom. I would 1 billion% invest in Click and Carry. This product is amazing. Let's move on to our next one. Any tongs, which turns your utensils into tongs. You just go ahead and slide in your fork and put it on the other side of this. There it is. Now we're gonna put this Any Tong through 3 different levels of testing. First, it's gonna be tomatoes. It works great too because of the fork. You really have that grip. Level 1 passed. Let's move on to level 2. I'm gonna go ahead and put bacon into a pan. It's not the best. You have to come in at a weird angle, but it works. Our final test for these Any Tongs are gonna be pasta. Will it be able to take the pasta out of a pot of boiling water? I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't think Any Tongs was gonna work, but it does, and I would 100% invest in these things. These things are awesome. Our next Shark Tank product is Fry Away. This product, you put 1 scoop for every cup of hot oil and it solidifies the oil and you just throw it into the trash. But now we just wait. Let's move on to our next product and we'll come back and see if this solidifies. This next Shark Tank product is kind of sick. It's called the dip clip. So basically it's a clip where you attach it to your car and you can put a sauce packet in it and dip it. Let's try it out and see if it works. All right. Hey, thank you so much, bro. Have a good one. I got my honey mustard right here, and it's a standard dip cup. So apparently this is how it works. You put in your sauce tray. Let's say there's a smaller sauce packet. So this thing is super versatile. This is really smart idea into our dip clip. Oh, that's sick. That works. This next Shark Tank product, the banana loca. Let's say you wanna have a banana and you wanna spread Nutella with your name on it. We don't need this guy anymore. So you take a banana, you put it into this slot, and now we wanna core the banana with this tool right here. You stick it in this end and go slowly. So technically, we should have a perfectly cored banana here. Now, into this portion of the banana loco, we're gonna go ahead and fill in our Nutella. All we're supposed to do is take our cored banana and stick that in and push down on this lever to push in the Nutella. There you go. Yeah. Oh, and natural, oh. Peel the banana. That's crazy. The inside is perfectly coated with some of that Nutella. If I was a shark, I would definitely be investing in this product. Let's move on to our next one. Back to the Fry Away. The oil has fully cooled down and now it's solidified. So we're just gonna take a spatula here. And I just love how you just throw this into the trash and you don't have to like pour it down your drain. I am definitely investing in this product. Let's head over to our next Shark Tank product. Our next Shark Tank product is called the Final Straw because this is the only straw you're gonna need for the rest of your life, apparently. I love the little packaging it comes in. It also has a keychain hook. Let's go ahead and open this package. Let's take out the Final Straw. We're gonna put this Final Straw through 3 levels of testing. We have Gatorade, we have orange juice with heavy pulp, and we got milkshake. All right, I like the texture on top of the straw. Makes it kind of fun to drink. Works fantastic. Let's test it with the regular straw that they gave us and see if it's any better. Regular straw went out a lot smoother. 1 second. Okay, the straw works way better with the milkshake than the final straw, but it's a nice, clean product. I love the packaging. If I was an investor, I'll definitely be investing in this product. Let's head over to our next Shark Tank product. Basically, whenever you're cooking a whole bird, instead of constantly buying butcher's twine, they made turbo trusser. Into a bowl, I'm gonna go in with some room temp butter, and then I'm gonna go in with some poultry seasoning. Mix this into the butter and separate the skin down here just so we could get some butter. Open this up, hook the legs, hook the wings, and cook. While we wait for that bird to cook, let's move on to our next Shark Tank product. Scrub Daddy. Let's scrub a plate and see how well it just takes everything off. Loosen it up by putting in hot water. Oh, there you go. The more I squeeze it, it's getting softer. That's crazy. Now let's try this. And look at that. That was really fun and easy. Now, into the cold water it goes. Instantly stiffs up. Crazy. Not only is it fun to use, but it's versatile and I love it. This is gonna be something I add to my kitchen right now. This next product is called the Pizza Pack, and it claims that it stores a single slice or an entire pizza. We're gonna plop this top off here. Here are the pizza trays. Oh, that's how. I just don't think that's gonna work. I'm gonna start off with a giant slice here. That's a big baddie. Also, you could just stack the pizza on top of each other. Right now, the claim that it's making it could fit an entire pizza is not looking true. I'm gonna take 1, 2 slices out. Okay, that fits better. But one other thing that's kind of cool, this little thing right here where you could just twist it and let air flow. So when you go to microwave it, it doesn't get soggy. Put this in for about 2 minutes. Two minutes later, our pizza is ready. Ooh, top one, very warm. That's good. Ooh, that's good. There you go. But it fit like a medium-sized pizza, so I'll give them that. I would be investing in it. So head over to our next Shark Tank product. This next Shark Tank product is called the Handy Pan. So I got some pasta water here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that into our Handy Pan. Bam! What is that for? You just tip over the water or oil. All the remains stay in the pan and the other things go out. That is so sick. No way. I am completely impressed by this and I would 100% invest in this product. I love it. All right, guys, our bird is officially ready now, but I gotta carve into this and I got a special tool for that. Our next Shark Tank product is the Mighty Carver. There are these sharp blades that move back and forth and can carve any type of bird that you have. Let's see if it actually works or if it's just a gimmick. Oh my goodness. That is insanity. I'm gonna go ahead and invest in this product, but we're not done with the Mighty Carver. It's definitely a gimmicky product. A knife would do a better job than this. Sir, unfortunately, I'm not gonna be investing in this product, but let's head over to our next product. This next product is called the Edge Brownie Pan, and it's pretty neat because this pan is designed to give you nothing but edge for every slice of brownie you take. Let's go ahead and make our brownie mix. I'm gonna hit it with some non-stick spray and carefully add in this thick batter. I'm gonna give this a shake just to even out the batter as much as I can. Let's pop this in and let it cool down and give it this a taste to see if we can actually taste that crispy edge brownie. This next product is called Flip It, and it's a very easy, simple product. Let's say if you have this in the fridge and you knock it over, that's gonna happen. Is I'm gonna take off my mustard cap and then you attach it to the adapter. Boom, and now I flip it. There you go. It solves an issue that's not that much of an issue. It's great, but not something I would invest in. I'm not investing in this product. Let's head over to our next one. And we've all been there where we want ice cream at the beach when you're hiking. This thing, the ice cream canteen. Twist this off. Right now, the ice cream, rock solid. Throw this into my canteen. I got myself a torch. twist this off here. This thing is still rock solid. And I torched this thing for like at least 3 minutes. I did a burn mark right here. The thing is still very hot. 100% investing in this product. Let's move on to the next one. This next product is called the Super Cube. And basically it's just a silicone tray where you can portion out your soups. So let's go ahead and toss in our soup and close this up. I'm gonna pop this into the freezer and I'll be right back. Luckily, I had another one that I threw into the freezer and it's ready to go. And here it is, our soup into 1 cup slots. I'm gonna go ahead and cook up this soup to see how easy it comes out of its pocket and to see how it tastes after it's frozen. This is not looking good. I guess you could throw it into the microwave, but you're gonna toss this into the microwave for like 10 minutes because it's a solid brick of soup, like it's frozen, man. Look at that, burning. You don't want that in your soup. You know what? It's burning some pieces. It's not cooking evenly. This is not the best thing. And for those reasons, I'm out. I'm not investing in this product. Okay, our brownies are officially ready. And we're gonna see how the edges. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Yeah, I think because the quality is so good and thick, I would definitely be investing in this product. Whenever you're cooking something and oil is splattering everywhere, we have the frywall. It's a silicone cone shape. You put this around your pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these tomatoes into this hot oil and didn't block it 100%, but it got like 90%. In my opinion, it's kind of annoying to reach over and it didn't do 100% blocking. So if I was a shark, I'm definitely not investing in this product. Let's go see what the next product is. This thing solves all the problems of cooking ramen. Or this rapid ramen cooker. Look at that. Let's go ahead and squeeze that in. And of course, the seasoning packet. Inside of the rapid ramen, there is this line, and that represents how much water we should fill into our rapid ramen. And all we do is pop this into our microwave for 3 minutes. Let's use our Snactiv. I do love the convenience of it. I'd be a bit reluctant, but I would invest in this product, but at a higher percentage. Let's move on to our next product. Our next Shark Tank product, Vochill. Basically this stand right here where you pop the top off and you pop this into the freezer. One more thing about this product, the way this gets cold is there's actually water in between this. And you simply put your wine cup here to keep it chill. So whenever you're at a party, you can just hold the Vochill. Definitely, well, let me tell you something. I told Steve that I'm gonna buy it for $4.7 billion. I'm not a big wine drinker, so if I was an investor, I would not be investing in this product. But let me know in the comments down below of which shark actually invested in this product. And that was all the Shark Tank products we could get our hands on. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.